Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is rightly said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. And education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So, here we upload amazing and interesting facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. Earthquakes disrupt sperm whales' ability to find food. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. Cherries can cause cancer cells to commit suicide. This is the world's smallest hotel located in Jordan. Imhotep is the first engineer in the human history. Dubai breaks Guinness World Record for the largest fountain. Europe is the only continent without a desert. Puppies do not fully open their eyes until they are about 10 days old. First pay toilets were invented in ancient Rome in 74 AD. The human skeleton renews itself completely every 10 years. Steve Jobs' Mercedes car never had a number plate. Babies cry, but they don't produce tears until they are 1 to 3 months old. The loudest word ever shouted was quiet. Swedish city introduces $26 permit for begging. Honey fungus is the largest living organism in the world. First 3 seconds you wake up, you'll not remember anything. Whip is the first man-made object to break the sound barrier. The fire of the 9/11 attacks at the World Trade Center continued for 99 days. The technical term for hashtag symbol is octotrop. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and the male ostriches can roar like lions. Sweden pays students $187 per month to attend high school. Muraka, world's first underwater villa, opened in Maldives. This cat's eyes look shattered due to a genetic mutation. A pregnant woman's dental health can affect her unborn child. Microsoft could buy TikTok for as much as $30 billion. Women in Paris weren't allowed to wear pants until 2013. Female black widow spiders eat their males after mating. Uzbekistan will pay you $3,000 if you visit and get COVID. Scientists are working on a technology that will erase all painful and scary memory from our brain. World's first heartless human able to live without pulse. China is the only country where rich people can send someone else to jail on rent if they commit a crime. 60 tons of cosmic dust falls to Earth every day. Space is cold because there is a lot of sunlight but not any atmosphere to filter that energy. Bison at 35 below zero, Yellowstone National Park, USA. Stephen Hawking was born on the same day Galileo died, and he died the same day Einstein was born. The Vikings were the first Europeans to discover America, not Christopher Columbus. Men will get rupees 3 lakhs per month to marry a girl in Iceland. Beautiful sculpture of car made from sand. There's an island called Just Enough Room where there's just enough room for a tree and a house. In Osaka, Japan, there's a highway that goes through a building. Molossia is the lowest populated country. The total population of Molossia is 33. Google Facebook made rupees 10,000 crore only from India in a year. The Netherlands closed 8 prisons in 2013 because of a shortage of criminals in the country. Only female mosquitoes bite because they need blood, not for food but to produce eggs. Aluminium foil can be used to increase the Wi-Fi. You should definitely give it a try. Turtle can breathe through their butts. Most expensive liquid in the world is scorpion venom at $39 million per gallon. This is the first flower ever grown entirely in space. A Mercedes-Benz actress truck hauling a Caterpillar 797 giant mining truck. Scientific name of western lowland gorilla is Gorilla gorilla gorilla. Albert Einstein slept 10 to 11 hours a day. Good sleep helps him stay creative. The world's smallest reptile was first reported in 2021. A company in Taiwan makes dinnerware out of wheat so you can eat your plate. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.